My name is Matt McIntosh, owner of M&S Heavy Repair. This is my hydraulic excavator prototype of a new revolutionary system for recovering lost energies that are currently converted into heat on hydraulic excavators and other hydraulic machines, most notably front shovels. This is my swing accumulator. This accumulator collects oil at the top from the swing system as the machine decelerates. As it slows down from swinging, the gas is charged from the bottom. This is my boom accumulator. It is set up in the opposite manner with the oil coming in the head end and the gas on the rod end. This is an extra gas bottle to make the pressure curve more linear. This is my valving setup, which would in production would be much simpler. All of these check valves 1, 2, 3, and 4 valves would be integrated into the one main valve. This main valve is a pilot actuated valve that runs the swing system. This hose goes to the swing motor, as does this hose. This hose comes from a check valve that uses the higher of the two pressures from the red accumulator or the yellow accumulator. The yellow accumulator simply collects its energy through check valves as the swing decelerates. The boom accumulator collects its energy from the boom system. This line goes to the main control valve, enters through this check valve. While going up, it comes from this line from the main control valve through the check valve, and this goes to the head end of the boom cylinder. While going down, if an operator wants to go down slowly, or while digging, which would be slow boom down, the oil is routed through this valve, through this line, and back to tank. If the operator moves the boom control lever all the way forward, there's a valve in this T that shifts upwards, which blocks off this line and diverts the boom head end oil through this check valve into the red accumulator. I'll now demonstrate the function of this machine. If you watch closely, you will watch the boom accumulator chrome go up as it recovers energy and go down as it puts energy back into the system. The yellow accumulator works opposite from that, as the oil comes in opposite ends of these two accumulators. The swing accumulator will go down as the machine slows from turning, and it will go back up as it accelerates. There is a sequence valve in here, or a shuttle valve, that takes the higher of the pressures. So as the machine accelerates, it uses the swing accumulator, and then as it coasts, it uses the boom accumulator to run it. This is by no means a finished prototype. There are several simple modifications that need to be done to this to make this a fully functional machine, but this was intended to be rapidly prototyped at very low expense and to prove the concept that there was enough energy wasted on the machine to swing the machine continually. Levi, if you would, try to explain to the audience the nature of the accumulators as I operate them.
As the boom is lowered, energy is recovered into the boom accumulator. And as the machine is swung, that energy is used.